Today's gonna be a busy day. All right, guys, so today we are doing a huge project. So Angel and I will be building my new makeup setup. So I got rid of my Alex drawers. I literally have, as you can tell right here, my makeup everywhere. Like, it's all over my room. I'll show you in a little bit. But basically, I found a new makeup system that I want to do for my room. So I pretty much like customized this whole setup. It's called the IKEA PAX Wardrobe, but it's not for wardrobe, it's for makeup. So I literally picked the drawers I wanted, the shelf I wanted, and there's so much more I want to add to it, but I'm just starting little by little because it's pretty pricey. So I will have all the information, all the drawers, all like the whole setup that I got, and the price. I'll have that all down below, but let me just show you guys what I'm working with. So I've seen people do this on their channel before and it took them a few days or maybe like 2, but I'm hoping that we can get it done in one day because I can't do the mess in my room. But let me show you guys how everything is everywhere. All right, so up here I have tons of makeup. Like, I didn't want to put it on my bed obviously because that's where I sleep. This is just part of like the organizer stuff that I have for my drawers. And then over here, I literally don't mind the drill and some cards, but I try to separate in bags. Like, I have my electronic stuff in here, my hair stuff in here, a bunch of new products, another organizer I just put there. So I have like my everyday makeup right there just in case, because it's been like this for probably like a day or 2. So no, a day, not 2, 1. So I have my everyday makeup right there. I have more makeup over here. All my palettes, like I try to put it like on this little table, but it didn't fit, which is why I have some on the floor. I have more like brand new makeup in here. All my wigs. Don't mind the candy. I just have everything everywhere right now. So yeah, the goal today is pretty much to get up that setup, organize my makeup, go through what I use, what I don't use, what I want, what I don't want. Also, we're gonna be using these bad boys right here. We are disinfecting everything. Like, since I'm going through it, I'm gonna disinfect it, especially with everything going around. I know, like, it's been a while, so I need to clean these. So that is what you guys will be seeing today. You'll be seeing the building, the cleaning, the organizing, and depending on how long it is, I'll probably do a separate video doing a whole makeup collection because that's a whole freaking hour in itself. So if you guys are interested to see this whole transformation, and I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time the girl posts. And without further ado, I'm gonna go get some Starbucks, then I'll come back and we'll start this video. Let's get right into this transformation. Okay, it's currently 2 o'clock. We'll see what time we finish. the finished product. It's super big, but honestly, it's gonna fit all this makeup over there, over there.
Show the drawers, show the space.
Yeah, look at how deep these are. Like, put your hand in. Yeah, that's perfect. The other ones, my Alex drawers, are like their babies. Like, if this had a baby, it'd be the Alex drawers.
If its baby had a baby.
Yeah.
That's the grandpa.
Huh?
That's the grandpa.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is pretty much just put everything away, but I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, and it's getting late, so I'm probably just going to put everything away and then show you guys the finished product and do a whole separate video of a makeup collection video because I have not done that one probably in like a year or two, so it's time to do an updated makeup collection. And this video would be years long if I recorded me putting it away, showing you guys everything. So this is the part 1 of my makeup collection setup, new setup. I'm so excited because I'm going to have pretty much a new backdrop of my videos, which is all my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything away and you guys will see the finished product, which it'll probably be nighttime by then. It is currently what time?
6:23.
6:23. I started this intro video at 12:30. And then we went to go to Starbucks, and then we ate, and then we came and started.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah.
Started at 2.
So, I'm so happy. I've seen this setup for a while, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. And when I want something, I get it. Okay, so I'm going to put everything away, and I'm so excited. But I'm a little stressed because I don't know how I'm going to organize it. I have so much space. Let's go. Alright, good morning everyone. So it is now the next day. I was pretty much super tired. Finished putting everything away, showered, watched some Netflix, and went to sleep. I was like, I'll finish this vlog in the morning. So last night I ended up just putting everything away. I was a little indecisive. I still don't know if I like the setup that I have and the organization that I have, but I'm constantly changing my room, constantly changing my setup, constantly changing how I organize things. So this is how it is going to be for now. I am happy with it. I am so happy with my new setup. I love how everything is just like super spacious. So I'm going to show you guys the final product for now. And yeah, I can't wait. So I'm pretty much going to have a new backdrop too when I'm filming since this is pretty much taking out my whole wall. So let me take you to the new beauty setup. Alright, so this is what the setup is looking like. I pretty much put like the cute stuff on display. So up here I have like some of my PR packages, a little hello darling little picture. And then this is a book that I made last year with all my memories from 2019. And then a little plant. And then I have like my makeup brushes, my setting sprays, and some beauty blenders on display. And a little wine thing that my friend got me. I was going to put it up here, but it was too tall. So I just have it back there for now. So I pretty much put stuff that I have display that I know I'm going to be using. And then down here I have my palettes because I know like palettes are pretty. And then down here I have some glasses and all of my lashes. So I wanted it to look like kind of like a storefront. Clearly that's what it looks like. And then here I have all my other makeup. Obviously I'm going to be doing a full in-depth makeup collection video, but I just want to show you guys a little overview of how it came out. And I'm so happy and obsessed with how much space I now have for all of my makeup. And then I just put like my lights and stuff and my tripods back there. So I'm just gonna give you like a quick little sneak peek because obviously I'm gonna do a full in-depth one, but I pretty much try to organize it as best as I can. Again, I need to get some new stuff for like how to organize my lipsticks because that's looking too messy for me. I can't do it. And then down here I kind of have like all my skincare, all my like hair stuff, lotion, all that stuff. But as you guys can tell, I literally folded it all the way up. Filled it all the way up. So I have like my hair, my wigs, my hair tools, all my electronic stuff. But yeah, as you can tell, I have so much stuff and it's already filling up. But I like how it's pretty deep so I could put so much more. So yeah guys, that's pretty much my new makeup setup. I just wanted to build it with you guys and show you what is kind of going to be going on. Just so when I film and you guys see that backdrop, you guys are like, what the heck? What happened? But also, I do plan on doing a full makeup collection. Like I said, it would have just been too much for this video. So I did a part 1, build with me, my new setup. And then part 2 will be coming very soon. I'll be doing a full in-depth overview of my whole makeup collection. So again, since I've kind of just been staying home and staying out from the world, especially from all this coronavirus going on, stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face, just try to just quarantine yourself, stay inside. That's why I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna figure something out. So I just wanted to do something different to my room, and also it keeps me busy staying inside. Like I said, stay away from as much people, germs, public places as you can, because it's getting pretty scary, pretty dangerous. So yes, stay safe, you guys. Just keep yourself busy at home, watch some YouTube videos, film a YouTube video, become a YouTuber, exercise. I need to get on that because your girl has been slacking, and obviously do not want to go to the gym right now because of everything happening. So I actually found this one post where it's like quarantine workouts, so you can like work out in your house. So I'm gonna probably try that. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.